फरवरी 2021 में मैंने अपनी एक कंपनी स्टार्ट करी थी कॉल्ड एज मार्केटअप, जिसके थ्रू हम लोग क्लाइंट्स को ऑर्गेनिक सोशल मीडिया ग्रोथ एंड कंटेंट मार्केटिंग की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे। इस कंपनी को स्टार्ट करे हुए एग्जैक्टली 2 साल हो चुके हैं और मुझे आज भी याद है जब मैंने फरवरी में मेरे कॉलेज के रूममेट को कॉल किया, सारांश इज हिज नेम, एंड कॉल्ड हिम टू बिकम द को-फाउंडर ऑफ माय कंपनी। एंड फ्रॉम दैट डेट टू टुडे आई हैव लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स। स्टार्टिंग में मैं बहुत डरा हुआ था क्योंकि मुझको सेल करना नहीं आ रहा था, मुझको एक टीम बनानी नहीं आती थी, मुझको कुछ भी नहीं आता था नॉर्मली कि एक कंपनी को स्टार्ट कैसे करते हैं, कंपनी को रन कैसे करते हैं, ग्रोथ कैसे लाते हैं, क्लाइंट्स को रिटेन कैसे करते हैं। बट ये सारी चीजें मैंने पिछले 2 साल में सीखी एंड दैट इज वाई today in this video I want to talk about the 7 lessons that I have learned while growing my own agency to making over 1 crore rupees every single year in revenue। अब अगर आप अपना एक फ्रीलांसिंग का करियर स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो, या फिर अगर आप अपना एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो, या फिर अगर आप रिसेंटली अपना एक करियर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो इन विच आपको सब कुछ खुद कर रहे हैं, तो दिस वीडियो विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू लर्न what to expect from this whole experience। I am currently 21। जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था I was 19 and I learned a lot। I will also be talking about a secret tool that will help you get more things done in less time। So make sure that you watch till the end, hit the like button, and let's talk about the learnings I had while building my own company। The first lesson that I learned was that I should delegate as often and as early as possible। अब इसका मतलब क्या है? स्टार्टिंग के 1 साल सारा काम मेनली मैं और मेरा को-फाउंडर सारांश किया करते थे। सो एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम अपलोडिंग अ यूट्यूब वीडियो टू मेकिंग द थंबनेल फॉर दैट वीडियो, डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखना जो होता है, एसईओ करना जो होता है, सब कुछ मैं और मेरे को-फाउंडर कर रहे थे। बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट नो कि हायर कैसे करते हैं, डेलीगेट कैसे करते हैं, किसी पे ट्रस्ट कैसे करते हैं। एंड दैट इज वॉट आई लर्नड in the journey of 2 years। If I could go back, I would have delegated from the first day itself। इसके mainly 2 benefit होते हैं। Number 1, आपका time बचता है as a co-founder। So as the co-founder or as the head of the company, your focus should always be how can I grow this company, or how can I create the vision for this company, how can I be the main marketer of this company, right? And you should focus on outsourcing everything else। For example, all the videos that we get edited for our clients, all the thumbnails that we create, all the SEO that we can do, there are people who can do individual tasks much better than me। They might have years of experience as a SEO copywriter, they might have years of experience making thumbnails for YouTubers, and it is much better for me to work with them क्योंकि secondly I can create much more higher quality work and I can scale the company as well। अगर सिर्फ मैं और मेरे co-founder काम करेंगे कंपनी में तो we can hardly get 2, 3, 4 clients at max। But today we have over 12 clients right now and it has all been possible because we learned how to outsource things, delegate and hire people who can do the best work of their lives, and that can help us save our time to focus on a bigger goal, which is to grow the company, to focus on higher ROI activities, जिससे आपको आपकी एजेंसी को higher return मिलेगा। So that is essentially what I learned in my experience in the last 2 years। If I could go back, मैं पहले दिन से ही सब कुछ delegate करने की कोशिश करता। Now one more thing you will realize is when you start hiring people and delegating the task, managing the time and efficiency of the whole company is going to be a big challenge। It is very easy for all the employees to keep doing meetings after meetings after meetings while not getting any measurable work done। My second lesson is to always keep experimenting and learning when you have your own business। इसका एग्जाम्पल है कि पिछले 1-1.5 साल से हम लोग एक बहुत ही टिपिकल सा ऑफर रन करते थे फॉर आवर क्लाइंट्स, विच वॉज अ स्टैंडर्ड 360 डिग्री यूट्यूब चैनल मैनेजमेंट ऑफर फॉर आवर क्लाइंट्स। व्हाट हैपेंड देन इज रिसेंटली हमारे पास एक क्लाइंट आया जो बोला कि यार मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, राइट, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट योर एडवाइस, I just want you to advise my team on how to grow my channel and they will do it themselves, right? That is what consulting is all about, while we were trying to do everything for them। So we thought to start experimenting with consulting and it turned out to be a great way to generate revenue while putting in less amount of time every single day. And that is what we experimented with. Another example, a company reached out to me saying that we want to create product hunt launch video, right? For product hunt, they have a product to launch, and for that they need a promo video, an engaging 1-minute video that would drive people to sign up on their platform. We have never done something like this before. We were only doing talking head videos on YouTube. We took up that challenge and we hired someone who was great at doing that. We assigned them the work and we got it done. And that was another experiment that worked very well for us as well. I think it's very important for you to keep experimenting and don't just stick to one niche. Keep trying out different places. You might never know what you find and where you can find your pot of gold. So if you do not experiment, you will never learn what is even possible right now. Like right now, we know that consulting is a great way to generate revenue. We also know that creating these ads, these promos for startups and products is also highly lucrative. All of that only possible because we took that chance. Let's try to create something and let's see how it goes. We are doing one more experiment right now, which is in the space of videography right now. So let's see how that goes. Third learning I had is that as a co-founder, you must be the biggest marketing guy of your whole company. You must be the one who is building in public, sharing your journey. And when you will do that, you will get clients automatically. The best part about MarketUp is that we have never used ads, right? All of the clients that we have worked with, over 35 clients so far in the last 2 years, have all been with us because they saw my video or they read my LinkedIn post or they heard about me from some other friend that they were talking to. This is very important. When you go out there, when you talk about the company that you're building, you create more opportunities for yourself and for the business as a whole. So your task should be to attend all of the events that are happening, be it networking events, VC events, any event of that matter, be it making tweets or LinkedIn posts. This will also help you attract even better talent every single time that you do a hiring post. You might be thinking, "Yeah, Ishan, I am just a tech person, right? I don't want to do marketing. I will outsource it to someone else." That is where you are wrong. You need to build a personal brand of yourself so that can get you that initial traction for your startup or for your bootstrap business.